come late.
No, we're not late. You said yesterday you have to come at 9.
No, I said it.
Okay, just now we can see that employee information is very important to avoid any miscommunication between the employee and the management. The management and the employee has the basic skill and knowledge related to the safety and health. For the example, the company has introduced an activity that if they found any hazard, they must correct it.
Collaborate with the Tebrau Fire Department to conduct a specific training, such as when earthquake is happen, as what the role play shown just now. The Safety and Health Department of JK Wire Harness Sedia Berhad, in conjunction with the Emergency Action Organization, also held an internal training every year that includes all employees and staff from the production lines and office.
That is delivered today. I want you to make any inspection to see if there's any damage.
So is this a new machine?
Yeah.
Why is not in the right position?
The need for inspection and the inspection frequencies will be depend through the risk assessment that will be taken by the management. At the end, the result of inspection should be recorded and will be kept until the next inspection session that will be taken by the JK Wire Harness Company.
Based on the roleplay that you have seen just now, the JK Wire Harness Company is implementing the safety machine inspection to every new machine before it can be used by the employees. The purpose is to identify and to ensure the work equipment can be operated, can be adjusted and maintain its safety from any risk to safety and health issues.
Hey, Shafiq，你好吗？吃饱了吗？工作顺利吗？诶，回答。你不说。So from the role play just now, one of the winners of JK Wire Harness is the employee language problem. So to overcome this, JK Wire Harness has implemented some ways to overcome this. One of these is that JK Wire Harness send them to the language classes. Hey Arta, there's somebody started inside the lift.
Oh, don't worry, just call this number.
Okay.
Company need to make connection with nearby emergency response team, just like JK Wire Harness that have a connection with fire department, police department, and first aider. A company need to provide a speed dial number, so if there's any cases or accident that happen that is no longer within the capabilities of organization and need external assistance, they can handle it as soon as possible.
No? Yes? Oh, the government changed the regulations again? This is the second time in this year. Oh, okay. Why did they change again?
With or without a formal occupational health and safety management system, any organization have the moral and legal duty to protect their workers from accidents and ill health. For JK Wire Harness, they are very concerned about their employees' safety. They make sure that they implement the latest government regulations. For example, they improve from the previous Osha's 18001 to the latest ISO 45001.